You're driving along and all of a sudden you see this. What does it mean? Well, it means that your engine computer picked up a misfire. It's important, yes, it's very important. Do not panic. Keep control of the vehicle. If it's losing power, only move your way out of traffic and slow down to the minimum allowable speed. If the light's still blinking and you can get yourself to the next exit, reduce power, just keep going till you get yourself to a safe place. If you can make it, if the next exit is pretty far, just make yourself to the shoulder, get off, and just have the car towed to a repair shop or to your place or wherever you're gonna have the car repaired. And what could happen if you keep driving? You could cause engine damage or catalytic converter damage, and it could just get expensive then. So if you slow down and the light stays off or stays unsteady, that means notice a code. Just keep going to a safe place, and as long as it's not blinking, you can just make your way to wherever you're going. But if it keeps blinking, even if slow speed, just when it's safe for you to make yourself to a safe place, just get the car towed the rest of the way.